Hello, my name is Omondi John. In the below presentation, I'm going to take you through the development of a form in a website. Just to start off, I'm going to use the Sublime text editor for any person having a different type of editor, like the Notepad, Notepad++. Let us feel free to use it. Just to start off with the syntax, I'm going to start off with the doc type syntax. Doc type HTML. First, let us save the document for us to make it appear clearly. Let us save it as form.html. Sorry for that. For HTML. Okay. After the doc type section, we go to the HTML part. We put the opening tags followed by the closing tag. HTML. You save. After that, we follow the second part, which is the header part. Closing tag of the header. Inside the header, we have the title part. Title, let us give the name form. Close it, title. Okay, as you can see, the color is not changing. It means that we've not saved the document correctly. Let us open a new page. Then you go back to the form. We copy paste everything, select everything. You copy. Then you come here. You paste. Then let us save it again to be sure of whatever is happening. Let us give it the name form1.html. Okay, now it is correct. As you can see, the colors have changed. After the title section, we go to the body section. Inside the body section, you can give it the name form creation. That's one of the appropriate names that you can give it. Okay, then you enter. Inside the body part, we have different things to place there. We have the paragraph, we have the header, which ranges from H1 up to H6. Let us give it one header. Let us give it H1. We'll call it website for login. Then you can give it a paragraph. Welcome to the great JD collections. Welcome to the great JD collections. That will be the part of the paragraph. Okay, now let us go to the main section, or the form section. To create a form, let me inform you that we have to start with the opening tag of the form. Click the form. We have the opening tag and the closing tag. Then inside the form, we have the label. The label holds the name of the input area. Let us give it the name. Then we have the input part where you're going to enter the text. Let us give the type of text. You save. Let us open the form and see the development of the website, or the web page, I mean. As you can see, our web page is being created fairly. Let us go back to the editor and continue modifying the page. Okay, we can add some few labels and inputs. We can copy this, then you come, you enter it thrice, or let us name the second one as age. We have county, we have let us place we have okay, let us change this one. Let us change the input type to be radio, and name this one as male for the gender. Again, we come, we have the same syntax. Let us give this one let us call this one female. Let us call it female. Then let these ones be labeled as others, because there are some guys who don't want to reveal their gender. After county, we can put a page break. There's a BR, enter, Control save. We can place a paragraph between, paragraph, enter, select your correct gender below, sorry for the spelling, below. You save, go back to the form, refresh it. As you can see, there's a mistake here, but let us go back and correct it. We didn't change the input type, it should be radio. As you can see, it should be radio. You save, you go back to the web page, refresh it. As you can see, we have our web page being created fairly. So we have the body section, we have the H1, we have the paragraph. This is the label that we place. This is the input area. This is the input area again of age, of county. So this input area, the type of input is text. That's why it comes in this format. Then below here in the gender section, the type of input is radio. We can add another thing here. Let us place some paragraph. I agree to the terms and conditions. I agree to the terms and condition. Let us place a checkbox. Actually, you can do it inside the paragraph. There's no big deal. You place a input. You give it the type of checkbox. I think that is the correct spelling. You save, you go back to the form, you refresh. As you can see, we have another type of input. This type of input is called the checkbox. You come here, you select it. Okay, you can make some changes in our web page. We can incorporate some color changes in the body part. You can just put BG color is equals to, let me use cyan. Cyan is my best color anyway. You can use any color that you want, blue, green, yellow. You save, you go back to the web page, you refresh. As you can see, our color has changed. It looks a bit clear. Again, in the form section, we can add some elements. Let us start in the name section. Inside the input, you can place some attributes. Let's place the placeholder. Placeholder is equals to, let us place that John. John Smith. Inside the edge, let us give it a placeholder. A placeholder is equals to 20. Then inside the county, placeholder is equals to, let us put it on Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. Nairobi. Let us start with the capital N for it's a noun. Save. Go back to the form. You refresh. As you can see, we have the placeholders. The function of the placeholder is to direct the user to put the correct item being required in the list. So when you come here, you can put your name. For example, my name is John. I place John there. My age is around 20, around 21. County, somewhere like Kisumu. Then it's okay. Let's go back to the inputs. You can put some restrictions. Let us place required. The function of the required attribute is to make sure that the space doesn't go unfilled. It will prompt the user to put the correct or to actually place any input there before submitting the form. So let us put the required attribute everywhere. Again here, let us place required. Then we can place the submit button. Let us place button, give it the name submit. You save. Let us go back to the form and refresh and have a look at what is happening. As you can see, the save button, the submit button has been placed here. So whatever you have to do is to try and submit without placing any input. Okay, as you can see, you have the red indication that these inputs can't go without being filled. So let us come here, put your name, Kennedy, your age to be 30, your count to be New York. Then you come, Kennedy is kindly to be male. I agree to the terms and conditions. You check the checkbox, then you submit. As you can see, the details have been submitted. Again, we can come into the input section and actually add some attributes. We have the title attribute. The title is used to direct the user. It gives more information about the area. For example, let's put title, type your full name. You save. The function of the title is that when you hover the cursor around the area where it has been placed, it pops up. For example, here it has refresh. As you can see, this is the title. It has popped up and it is written, type your full name. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Welcome to our next class. Thank you.